Hi, this is Swati Veldandi, and we are very excited to showcase here in Hyderabad Times Fashion Week. And yeah, here is my showstopper Asha Bhatt, and I know she has done a great job. And just let me know how the outfits are. And yeah, here is my jewelry partner Radhika Garu. నా కలెక్షన్ మొత్తం ముఘల్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుందండి. వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్స్పైర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ముఘల్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ అండ్ ఇండియన్ కల్చర్. సో yeah, we also use the very old Zardozi works on my collection, and we use the florals, and that makes my outfits special. And yeah, so
it's fun wearing always.
Andriki Namaskaram, my name is Asha Bhatt and I'm happy to be here at Hyderabad Times Fashion Week. Absolutely, I think they're both the best that I've got. Swati is a dear friend and I'm wearing Radhika ji's jewelry for the very first time. And
It's pleasure.
Pleasure is all mine, ma'am.
We have done Nizam jewelry for her.
So it's absolutely going very well with my outfit and I'm happy if they're happy.
Yeah, we have released this Nizam style of jewelry with the single diamond cut, and you could see the beautiful Nizam cut of diamonds, and she's wearing, and as a hair band also, which is in vogue now. And it's pleasure to work with Swati as well as Miss Asha Bhatt. Sorry. So we could do more fashion shows in future. With her and with Swati too, and our collection has released in this Times Fashion Week called the Nizam Collection. Guys, you can check it out with our store by an appointment.
Hi, this is Ashok Mane here, and my collection is Mane. It's been a wonderful feeling here to be associated with Times, especially Hyderabad for the first time. Well, my collection was Royal Spirit. It says all about the royal collections of the Indian costume, the Indian heritage of all over India, consisting of heavy Ari works, dozy work on rich velvets, and for girls and for boys, it's a flowing gowns with angarkas, achkans. And it's been a wonderful feeling to be here in Hyderabad. The entire feeling was just wonderful. Even the backstage, everything, they were very helpful. It was a pleasure working in Hyderabad. I'm looking ahead to work again for Times in Hyderabad.
Hello, this is Srija Reddy representing Sthri. So today we have launched a collection of freedom, if I could call it that, which is very variant and which is very unique from the previous collections we ever did here in Hyderabad. So it has lot of colors, energy. When I call it like collection of freedom, it doesn't have like any gender or nothing. It's more like a gender fluid fashion. Like it's more like a state of mind apart from saying like it's men's fashion and women's fashion. So that's what it is here today. So here we have like Namita and Apsara and all these people who are here like supporting us. I'm so glad to have them here. They have been a huge support from the starting. They are from different places. They are from Chennai, Delhi. Yeah, mostly from Chennai and Delhi. Yeah, so we are looking more forward that Hyderabad Times Fashion Week should conduct this kind of more shows more and more, just like Mumbai, so that like we could also showcase a lot of collections and it's a nice platform to showcase good collections. So it's a nice initiative by Hyderabad Times Fashion Week. Thank you for that.